Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the yoga mat of Da Nang, but we're actually gonna check out the food festival here in Da Nang right before they stop. So I saw it in the comments, I should check it out. This is what I'm gonna do today. Let's see how this huge free event looks like here in the middle of My Khe Beach. Lots of motorbikes parked here. A little bit chaotic. A lot of people are here. So I will post this very soon, right after it happened. So don't forget to like already. If you're watching on TV, go one up and press like. And subscribe if you have not yet. Wow, so many people here. This is amazing. And this is the beer-sponsored street food event here in Da Nang. This is also, every time you realize that this is not a small beach town, this is a huge city. Let's see what do they have here. Nahang numero, Lam-an. I gotta hold it a little bit higher today. So they do have proper seating here and garbage. So everything is very clean and organized well. We have some events over there, some stages, some smaller stages. But yeah, we were gonna check out this area here. This is insane, guys. Huh. It's still very hot, so it's still better to go here a little bit later. And I think it's gonna be probably very, very busy later on. But yeah, look at this beautiful big event here. And they have this every year. It's not usually something like that, but it's the stage is there every year. It's usually there are a lot of free concerts and everything like that. But yeah, you can get all kinds of delicious food. Lots of restaurants have their stands here. Lots of seafood places as well. My wife would love it. And banh mi bari. Oh, that's awesome. They also have a stand here. Huge Saigon-style banh mis. Very good. If you don't want to go to the city center and eat it there, you can get it here at the moment. I mean, only for this event. Woo. So I don't know what kind of event, beer fest nights. So it's gonna become a beer fest afterwards. So you can actually eat inside as well. So there's an entrance over there. Entrance, guys, okay. Plus 18 area, no smoking, no outside food. And it's after it. Okay, guys. And this is also interesting. So you can actually film as much as you want here. So if you enter there, they can make as many videos of you as possible. But it's everywhere in Vietnam. good. There are also so many public cameras everywhere too. And over there's a police station. But usually there's nothing happening in these events. It's very safe here, guys. They only usually test for alcohol and things like that. Now it's getting louder. Now it's getting louder, guys. Ah! Oh my God. That's how it looks. It's like an entrance here, guys. And even the firefighters are here as well. So the party is going on soon, guys. I don't know what party is gonna be there. Maybe some dancing or some DJs. But yeah, it's getting loud, guys. It's getting loud. I hope it's not a copyright music. Wow. If you watched my video about that area, how it looked before and how it looks now, crazy. Personally, it's a little bit too crowded. But maybe I'm just not used to that anymore. Maybe I have to be more under people. More with a lot of people. It's also very humid, guys. Here, and you have like the constant smoke from the barbecues. But yeah, definitely try out Khao Lao. Beautiful. But yeah, we're also gonna check out the beach area now and see how it looks over there. So there are 2 rows here actually. Let's have a little bit of a look how one of those stands look like and what they're really doing here. Ban Beo, Nam and Lop. I love it. So here, this is like a fruit shop, I think. A fruit shop, and those are like fun bot. Yeah. Lalot, bolalot. I think it's gonna be better if you go here a little bit later, when it's cooler. It's still a little bit too warm for my taste to have street snacks.
Hello?
Hello! But yeah, this is also another entrance. I filmed this area actually when it was completely empty on the daytime. So if you go one video back, you will see how everything here looked without people. Very interesting. A lucky spinning wheel here. Let's see how this entrance area looks like. So I think they're waiting for some VIPs here. I think I'm not sure how I can get into the beach area. It's so packed there. Well, let's go here to the left and then go to the beach and see how it looks there. There you can buy some snacks.
Anh chị ơi, khi mà mình điền thông tin vào lúc mà mình đăng ký
check this out.
thì mình vui lòng nhớ giúp em là mình chọn
So those are the zones and everything like that.
Trung tâm thương mại Yêu Môn Đà Nẵng Thanh Khê nha.
Shopee Food
Em
concert.
nhắc lại một lần nữa, khi mà mình chọn vào cái trung tâm thương mại Yêu Môn,
So they're gonna have a concert here, a free concert. How awesome is that? And it's also sponsored by Shopee Food, the direct competitor of Grab Food. My wife only buys from Shopee Food because she gets more, because she's shopping all the time on Shopee, so she gets all these discount codes on Shopee Food as well. So yeah, Shopee Food is huge here, but not really with foreigners, because I don't think everyone can use Shopee here. Oh, yummy, ice cream. And you can see here lots of grilled meats, maybe some I think we are very close to the ocean right now. If I'm not wrong, I can walk right to the left here. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go through that here. Now we are right at the beach. But I don't know if we can walk actually there. We are literally here at the beach. But maybe this is the backstage area. I don't know if you can actually walk here. Probably not. Oh, yummy. I don't know if you can walk actually there. I don't think so. But that's the stage here, and then you can eat here, I guess. And you still have a pizza here. All right, guys. I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.